Hello and welcome. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's episode, we'll be taking a fascinating journey into the sphere of predictive maintenance sensors. You'll discover the potential benefits of this groundbreaking technology, and we'll also guide you through some important precautions to remember during the selection and installation process. If you're part of a maintenance or operations team, this is a discussion you won't want to miss. Now let's jump right into understanding these Internet of Things, or IoT, sensors. These sensors are like electronic eyes, constantly watching over the performance of your most critical assets. They offer several major advantages. Firstly, they can significantly boost cost savings. These sensors are designed to alert your maintenance team if things like temperature or vibration exceed acceptable ranges. This early detection can help prevent potential equipment failures before they occur, saving you from costly emergency repairs or even equipment replacement. Secondly, these sensors can increase uptime. By catching potential problems on your production lines before they need to be completely shut down, you can increase overall productivity and decrease equipment downtime. Thirdly, predictive maintenance sensors can extend the life of your equipment. Addressing minor problems on equipment can protect other components of your critical assets from wear and tear. Fourthly, these sensors can improve safety. Faulty or malfunctioning equipment can pose safety risks to employees. Predictive maintenance sensors can identify potential hazards, enabling proactive measures to mitigate risks and ensure a safer working environment. Fifthly, they enhance efficiency. Sensors enable condition-based maintenance based on real-time equipment data, optimizing resource allocation, reducing unnecessary maintenance tasks, and improving the overall efficiency of maintenance operations. Finally, these sensors can uncover data-driven insights. Predictive maintenance sensors generate a wealth of data about equipment performance, patterns, and anomalies. By analyzing this data, businesses can gain valuable insights into equipment behavior and make data-driven decisions to optimize operations. Now, while predictive maintenance sensors offer a wealth of potential benefits, it's also important to take precautions during the selection and installation process to avoid costly errors or wasted resources. Firstly, be clear about your goals. What objectives are you trying to achieve with sensor technology? Secondly, resist the urge to monitor too many pieces of equipment at once. Prioritize your resources to focus on those assets truly critical to your operations. Thirdly, understand the solution. All sensors are not created equal. Consider factors such as accuracy, sensitivity, compatibility with existing systems, and ease of installation. Fourthly, double-check data reliability. Implement quality control measures to ensure ongoing sensor accuracy, calibration, and validity. Fifthly, understand your baseline. Establish your baseline levels for acceptable asset behavior. This baseline will help in detecting anomalies and deviations once sensors are in place. Sixthly, secure your sensor data. Sensors are constantly collecting potentially sensitive data about your equipment performance. Protect this data by implementing encryption protocols, using protected data storage, and establishing secure access. Seventhly, offer ongoing training. Make sure your maintenance team understands the purpose, operation, and maintenance requirements of your selected predictive maintenance sensors. Eighthly, integrate your data. Unless sensor data is actionable, many of the benefits noted above will not come to fruition. Finally, prepare for growth. Consider the scalability of your chosen solution. By appreciating the benefits of predictive maintenance technology, as well as understanding the cautions associated with selection and implementation, your organization can make the best decisions in pursuing this powerful solution for your critical assets. And that brings us to the end of today's episode. We've covered the benefits of predictive maintenance sensors and the precautions to take during selection and installation. Thank you for joining us. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful content. For more information about our services, visit upkeep.com. Until next time, keep learning and stay tuned for more from UpKeep.